I am Steve Mueller, Managing Partner of Syndicate Legal Services. Today's topic: can a real estate developer issue bonds to finance real estate development? The answer is yes. A private real estate company or public real estate company can issue bonds on the OTC market to finance a real estate development project or a series of real estate ventures. In fact, the issuance of real estate asset-backed bonds can be 1. The fastest path to capitalization for a real estate venture with OTC marketing listings can happen in 3 to 4 weeks, even without any financial audits. 2. OTC real estate bonds can be the cheapest path in the form of upfront fees and costs for a real estate venture, as we have taken real estate companies public on the OTC market without any upfront fees or costs and without financial audits. 3. OTC real estate bonds can also result in the lowest interest rates available for real estate developments. And 4. Finally, OTC real estate bonds fetch higher loan to values when compared to traditional real estate lending. So, what considerations are there for real estate developers considering a real estate bond offering on the OTC markets? First, you must know that in the United States, issuing bonds requires compliance with the Securities Act of 1933 and regulations enforced by the Securities and Exchange Commission. If the bonds are offered publicly, they must be registered with the SEC unless they qualify for an exemption. Second, OTC bonds may also need to comply with FINRA rules, as FINRA oversees broker-dealers involved in OTC trading. Last question: what is the process and the cost? First, here at Syndicate Legal Services, we handle all of legal and compliance, the structuring of bond offering, the SEC registration statement, the FINRA filings, the OTC Markets Group applications, and the securing of an OTC market maker to quote the company's bonds on the OTC market. Second, a big advantage of OTC bonds versus conventional loan brokering is essentially everyone is a lender and investor today. OTC real estate bonds can be bought and sold by the largest investment banks, as well as the 117 million retail investors using the popular trading apps like Robinhood, Webull, TradeStation, Fidelity, Schwab, and many others. Third, the rates for OTC market bonds are in line with, or may even be better than those rates available from real estate lenders, with investment-grade investments in the 6 to 8% range, with more speculative ventures seeing rates near 10%. Finally, here at Syndicate Legal Services, we take a more joint venture approach with our real estate developers and have successfully listed companies on the OTC markets without any upfront fees or costs to our clients, saving them tens of thousands in junk fees and costs. If you're a real estate developer looking for fast project funding at competitive rates without all the junk fees, give Syndicate Legal Services a call to discuss an OTC market bond offering today.